Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Acura TLX hood the only correct way. Properly closing your hood is crucial for safety and to prevent damage to your vehicle. First, ensure your Acura TLX is parked on a level surface and that nothing is obstructing the engine bay. Then, gently lower the hood until it is approximately 12 inches above the latch mechanism. Once the hood is about 1 foot above the latch, simply release it. Let gravity do the work, allowing the hood to drop and securely engage the primary and secondary latches. This method ensures a firm closure without risking damage to the hood's lightweight panels. Never push down on the hood, as this can cause unsightly dents. After the hood has dropped, it is essential to verify it is securely latched. Gently attempt to lift the front edge of the hood near the grille. A correctly closed hood will remain firmly in place, showing no movement. If the hood lifts even slightly, it means it is not fully latched, and you must repeat the closing procedure to ensure safety. Remember, forcing the hood closed by pushing can cause damage to its structure. Always rely on the drop method for a secure latch. Before driving, always perform a quick check to confirm the hood is fully closed and locked. This simple step prevents potential hazards and ensures your Acura TLX remains in excellent condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.